We've always reached for the stars with fire and force. But what if we could simply ride? What if we built a highway to space? Getting to space is hard and expensive. Rockets burn millions of tons of fuel just to fight Earth's gravity. This is our biggest barrier. But there's an idea, a piece of infrastructure so transformative, it could change everything. It's called the space elevator. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's an engineering challenge. Let's break down how this megastructure could redefine humanity's future. The concept starts with an anchor in geostationary orbit, over 35,000 kilometers up, a captured asteroid or a massive space station. From this anchor, a cable made of a revolutionary material, like carbon nanotubes or graphene, is extended down to a floating base on the equator. Electric climbers, powered by lasers from the ground, would then ascend this ribbon, carrying cargo and eventually people to orbit. No explosions, no massive fuel costs, just a clean, quiet, and constant trip from Earth to space. Goal number 1, drastically reduce the cost of space access. This is the single most important key to unlocking the solar system. Right now, it costs thousands of dollars to send 1 kilogram to orbit. The space elevator could drop that price to under $10. Imagine sending a payload to space for the price of shipping it across the country. This changes the entire economic equation. At $10 a kilo, we could build massive orbital factories, cities, and ships that are unthinkable today. Goal number 2, access unlimited clean energy. Space-based solar power is the ultimate green energy source, but it's too expensive to launch. With an elevator, we could build enormous solar collectors in orbit and beam limitless, clean microwave energy down to any point on Earth. This would mean the end of our dependence on fossil fuels. Power would be cheap, abundant, and available to everyone. This isn't just an energy solution, it's a climate solution that could heal our planet. Goal number 3, trigger an unprecedented economic boom. Access to limitless energy and off-world resources would ignite global growth. Entirely new industries would be born overnight. Economists predict this could lead to 20% annual GDP growth for over 2 decades. That's a level of economic expansion never before seen in human history, lifting billions out of poverty. This industrial revolution would be for the entire world, creating universal prosperity. So how do we get there? Step 1, study the right fields. We need a new generation of bold engineers and physicists. The biggest challenge is the material for the ribbon. We must advance material science to mass-produce materials with incredible tensile strength. We are on the cusp of these breakthroughs. Every new discovery in materials brings the elevator closer to reality. Step 2, get involved. Join the new space race by working at or founding startups focused on this grand objective. The innovation won't come from old thinking. It will come from small, agile teams daring to tackle the biggest engineering challenge in history. The physics are sound, the problems are known. This is no longer a question of if, but when. Yes, there are immense challenges. Orbital debris, initial investment, and international cooperation are all significant hurdles we must overcome. But for every challenge, there is an engineering solution waiting to be discovered and implemented. The rewards are simply too great to ignore. It is the single most important infrastructure project we could ever build. It's our highway to the solar system, our path to limitless energy, and our key to a future of abundance. The space elevator doesn't just let us visit space, it makes us a true spacefaring civilization. Are you ready to build the future? Share this video to spread the vision. What breakthrough will make it happen first? Comment below.